begin, for decorating the cake with fresh berries, we will need some ganache to make the surface of the cake even, a silicone spatula, and a metal scraper smoother. First, we make the ready cake even with the help of ganache. Apply not very thick layer. Then even the cake with the metal smoother scraper. Some small defects are acceptable in this case. It's fine if there are some. We've evened the cake. After that we put it in the fridge for 10 minutes till ganache solidifies. We've applied ganache. Now we need to cut the upper part to make the surface even. Take a sharp knife for this and cut ganache moving the cake like this. We've cut the top of the cake. Now we apply some more ganache to have not solidified layer of it. We leave the cake like that. Don't put it in the fridge. Now we can start decorating it. Prepare your berries. Wash them in advance. If the blueberry is quite big, cut it in half. In our case, it's not big enough, so we won't cut it. We cut strawberries in half. Leave the sepals of the strawberries. If the raspberry is big, cut it in half too. I won't cut raspberry, which is smaller. The berries are ready. Now we can start decoration. When we put the strawberries and other berries on the cake, we can see that strawberry is thicker. That's why if you have similar strawberries, cut it one more time. Take one half and cut it in half again. All the berries should be at the same level. Apply a thin layer of ganache where you want to lay out strawberries. Lay out the berries before ganache solidifies. Press the berries tightly. Berries should be very close to each other, without any spaces. Attach the berries chaotically. Don't leave any spaces between the berries. They should be very close to each other. If the layer of ganache solidifies, apply a new layer. We've finished decoration of the cake with fresh berries. Put it into the fridge for a while. Now let's go to the next element of decor. It'll be the nameplate with the words "A Happy Birthday." To make a festive nameplate, we take not very big piece of sugar paste for about 150 gr. 2 wooden skewers. A tool. A rolling pin, some starch, and a piece of wood with similar texture. If you don't have one, you can make this texture with the tool. Make a small rectangle out of the sugar paste. Put the skewers into it from both sides. Like this. If you have a similar piece of wood, put the sugar paste on this wood. Choose the most interesting texture. Put the sugar paste on it. Take the second piece of wood. Put it on the piece of sugar paste and press it strongly, so the texture printed. If you don't have similar woods, you can roll the sugar paste and copy the texture of the wood with the tool. We'll do the same now to make some additional depth. I want to make not one, but several pieces of wood. Trace the lines and make very deep cavities. This is the first piece of wood. The second, and the third one. And now we make additional volume and depth on the texture we have. That's what we got. Now it's left to paint it. To paint the nameplate, we've prepared the palette, the brush, alcohol diluted with water, a tissue and black and yellow paints. Put some paint on the palette. We'll mix black and yellow. We'll get dirty beige color. The wood should be not dark brown, but light. Start painting. You can add more yellow to get a warmer shade. Paint it. The paint should cover all the cavities and deepenings. Don't paint it too dark. Don't use a lot of paint. Add more alcohol. You should use a slightly colored liquid. If you paint it too dark, you need to wipe off the top coat of paint. I'll show you the way how to do it. Paint covers all the cracks, and we can see the texture of the wood. Paint all the edges and sides to make the nameplate lighter, but leave the cavities darker. We can take a wet wipe and wipe the surface of the nameplate. texture is saved, but the nameplate became lighter in this way. Now it's left to write the words you need. I'll write happy birthday. We need to wait till the nameplate gets dry. It's left to write the words. Use just black paint for this. Write the words using a brush. We have quite deep cavities. That's why it'll be not really convenient to write, but we'll try. You can first make a sketch with a pencil, and paint after that. The nameplate is ready. You can make less deep cavities or make less woods, but make them wider, then it'll be comfortable to write on them. The nameplate is ready. The nameplate is dry. The cake is completely ready. Now set the nameplate into the cake. My congratulations! Our berry cake is ready. Bon appetit! See you soon!